Hi, I'm Peter Hinson, founder of nexxworks. What is fascinating in the last couple of years is that we're seeing that technology has completely transformed the way we think about marketing. The way we think about addressing customers, understanding customers, capturing information and turning it into value is something that marketeers have done really, really well. But it has meant a transformation of the role of marketing and also the type of people we have in marketing. I think a similar type of transition is going to happen in the world of HR. And that is especially challenging for the chief HR officer in many corporations. 10 years ago, a typical marketing office or marketing department had no data scientists, had no people who understood data or algorithms, and now that has been completely transformed. And probably that's what needs to happen in the world of HR. HR has to become data-driven. We have to understand how to create value. We have to learn how to work with the network. And these are new skills. So I think in this moment, there is an enormous amount of challenges thrown at the chief HR officer. I always make the comparison. I spend a lot of my time working with CIOs around the world. And CIOs, I would say in the last 10 years, it hasn't been the best place to be a CIO because the world was talking about self-driving cars and Google DeepMind, and you would ask a CIO, what have you been doing? And that person would have to say, oh, I'm upgrading SharePoint. It was not the easiest place to be in the boardroom. But I think now I see a lot of CIOs happily passing that baton to the CHRO, where the Chief Human Resources Officer is now getting the real burden to say, what are you doing to address this issue? We're entering a world of cognitive, where digital is at an end and actually cognitive becomes more important, where new technologies like machine learning and AI are absolutely going to change the way we think about our employment and work, where we have to rethink skills for the future. We have to understand how to turn information we capture from employees into value for the corporation and for the individual. Those are tremendous challenges. And what happened in marketing 10 years ago now has to happen in HR. I think at this moment we are probably at the point where the most difficult job to have in the boardroom isn't the CIO anymore, but is actually the CHRO. The Chief Human Resources Officer is probably going to be at the receiving end of the most challenging questions from corporates to reinvent themselves. We're doing an exciting Future of Work tour later this year to address those challenges, but I would absolutely want to wish all those CHROs a lot of luck to actually enter into this new phase.